Hi everyone. In the last video we talked about customary units when measuring liquid. And so in this video I have a hot chocolate maker and it uses liters. So this is from the metric system. And when we're doing liters, there's 1,000 milliliters in a liter. So that's something that I want you to remember. 1,000 milliliters equals 1 liter. So you can think about a 2-liter bottle of soda. This hot chocolate maker actually has 1,700, or actually 1,750 milliliters of the hot chocolate. So it's over 1 liter. It'd be 1 liter and then 750 extra milliliters. So that's the metric when we're talking about liquid. Now, if we're going to talk about length measurements, in the customary system, we use inches. So 12 inches would be 1 foot. And then 36 inches, or 3 feet, is going to be a yard. So that's the customary system. But then switching over to the metric system, there's 100 centimeters in 1 meter. And then there's 1,000 meters in 1 kilometer. So those are a couple of things I want you to keep in mind. And then if we're thinking about weight, when we measure weight in the customary system, we measure it in pounds and ounces. And so I have here some butter, and it's 16 ounces, and if you'll notice it says 1 pound in parentheses. So there's 16 ounces in a pound. And I also noticed these cheese slices, they're also 16 ounces or a pound. So when we're in the customary system, 16 ounces equals a pound. And Luna's wanting to get involved again, but I don't know. She's being a little crazy right now. So Luna, don't bother things. I do have her toy up here that I'm not going to let her play with because it's so cute, but she gets a bark box, and I mean, she's sitting here acting like she wants it, but the reason I'm showing you this is because the mystery word this time comes from her toy. It says it's Slow Jam Sam, so I'll shorten it up, and the mystery word is just going to be Sam. I was going to say Yoda, but I think we'll go with Sam. Luna really wants Sam. He does make some sounds. But back to we were on the weight measurement, and we talked about the customary being ounces and pounds. So the metric uses grams. So there's 1,000. Luna, you better be a good girl. You be good, okay, Luna? There's 1,000 grams in 1 kilogram. And Luna interrupting, this reminds me of something. I don't know what, but maybe y'all can tell me what it might remind you of. You know, I'm trying to do a lesson here, and she just keeps interrupting. Anyway, 1,000 grams equals a kilogram. So you can kind of see the pattern whenever we're using the metric system. So I want you to think about that as you answer your Google form. Let me know if you have questions.